This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. This single-family home is 1,723 square feet that has an open floor plan with a 2-car garage and many upgrades. Cascades has many amenities such as tennis, pickleball and bocce. The clubhouse has many activities going on all the time. A wonderful pool and spa are featured in this community. This is a 55-plus community. The bylaws allow for 20% of the homes can be occupied by persons under 55. Children under 21 are permitted to visit but not permitted to live in this adult community. The home is partially furnished if the tenant wishes to use, or furnishings can be removed. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.